Have you ever heard about the no start TV mount? Well, CondoMounts have the no start TV mount where you could mount your TV on drywall without any studs behind the drywall. And this set also comes with these handrails. Alright, these handrails can be used to make the holes on your drywall. Alright, first you gotta make the marking on the drywall, and then you just drill the holes with this handrail given in the set. Next, you gotta place these elephant anchors which comes with the set, and these elephant anchors are really durable, and if you want more elephant anchors you could get them in our website elephantanchors.com. Alright, place all 4 elephant anchors, and you gotta place the TV mount and screw them in. You gotta use a Phillips screwdriver to do this. Alright, next you gotta place these vertical brackets behind your TV, and you just have to mount your TV on the drywall. Okay, this TV mount can hold up to 132 pounds, and it fits TVs from 32 inches to 60 inches.